Welcome to Lifestyle Trucker. Today's my project is to move these junk tractors out of my property, and I'm gonna load them in this trailer and my Jeep CRD and take everything to the junk and see how much can I get for that. I was able to load with this small John Deere tractor two of my old lawnmowers right here, and I'm probably gonna go junk them and see how much I can get for this. Plus I load some brakes, rotors and stuff, brake shoes right here, you know. So yeah, let's see. I mean, I got my diesel Jeep. That's a CRD diesel truck, I call it. I mean, it should pull no problem. I feel like, man, these Jeeps they can pull up to like 7,000 something pounds, and this might be like closer to 1,000 pounds. We'll see how much we're gonna get on the paper. So yeah, cleaning up my yard a little bit, you know. One truck like this at a time. So yeah, I got another tractor. I want to get rid of it. It sits somewhere there in the back, but that one might have some life in it, so that's why I'm probably gonna get rid of this too. This is where like my spare tractors. I was taking parts from them and stuff. Yeah, let's go. See how much you can get for this. I got myself a helper to unload this because it's gonna be probably pain in the ass, so that's why I'm grabbing this guy, Vladdy. I mean, I love the John Deere, guys. That thing is perfect, man. It's a 3-cylinder, about 35 horsepower or something in the tractor. That's my second project over there. It's gonna come up soon on my YouTube also. So yeah, let's go. Let's go to the junkyard. This is a junkyard. I'm gonna try to go in my trailer with those tractors in the back. Alright, let's see how much we weigh. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Let's go. 5,006. So we are 6,720 pounds, man. 720, wow, that's pretty crazy. Alright, let's go see what happens next. If you don't want to go in the dirt, come next day. Yeah, alright. Looks like we're gonna have to go into this dirt. It's parked next to the truck. Next to this pickup truck thing. But there's so much water, man. I can't believe it. Where is he going? Actually, I can go on the other side of that. I'll go just a little bit back, that's it. This is it. We're gonna go unload this right now, these two tractors, and we'll see how much weight we're gonna get out of this. Back is it's home. Man. I think we have to do one at a time. So this is right here. Yep, first. Then let's push it again. 1, 2, 3. And then let's get the last tractor out. This is the last tractor. Yep, that one goes in the back. Throw the straps in. This thing on. That is junk. It is a junk thing, man. I'll be back on the scale with empty trailer. Let's see how much we're gonna get right now. We had to have 1,000 pounds, right? Look at that, 560 is 1,000 pounds. How much we had? 6, 7. How am I supposed to turn it on again? Is she nuts? Yeah. This place sucks. People drop aluminum right here. Oh, that's pretty bad, dude. This yard is so bad. No parking. What are you talking about? I gotta get my sticker and see how much they owe me. Okay, let's see how much I'm gonna get for the weight. Okay. Good morning. I'm good. I had the Jeep like something thousand maybe pounds maybe.
Have you been in recently?
No, not recently, but I used to come here. Yep. No, that's it for today. Yeah, done. How much weight did I have?
1,040 pounds.
Oh, 1,000 pounds, right on. Alrighty then, thank you. Yep, you too, bud. So I had 1,000 pounds, this guy says. 1,040, let's see how much did I get. I got 20, 40, 65, so I got 67 bucks out of this. 2 tractors and some 67 bucks. Not much, but I gotta clean the junk, you know. And so many people today, man. They closed in, he said, like about an hour. So do you have to go like this, like he did? This guy drives through the grass. Does not care, man. All the dirt comes off the tires. This is how the Jeep looks like after the junkyard. It's all dirty. My trailer got dirty also. Everything is dirty. I don't know why the little thing is missing on it. I mean, this is it. Made $67 from a junk. And the next thing I probably will do, maybe junk this tractor, we'll see. Not sure yet. Trying to clean up the property a little bit. That's the semi that I drive. This is another thing that we work on. I'll bring that to Costco. Those two more gotta go to Costco also. So yeah, man, I love this Jeep. It's like, this is the car you buy, you know, like you don't care about it, you know? You can just kill it. And this is my hitch bolt. This is already 5-inch drop I did, and still too high for this trailer. This trailer still looks kind of going like that way, like too high right here and too low in the back. I mean, it is high. Like this Jeep is actually pretty high clearance also, especially in the back. Like you can just back into anything. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching Lifestyle of Trucker, and you'll see me in the next video for sure. Alright then, peace.